In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Slack. Creating groups, also known as direct message groups, can really streamline communication and make sure all the right people are in the loop. Let's walk through how you can easily set this up. First, let's head over to Slack. You'll want to be logged into your account so we can get started. Once you're in, take a look over to where your profile is situated. Just above it, you'll notice a plus sign. This is our gateway to starting a new conversation or group. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. With that done, you'll be presented with a few options. Here, you want to select Message, where it offers to start a conversation in a DM or direct message. This will lead us to the dialog box where you can begin adding the members you wish to include in this group. Next, it's time to type in the names or select the members you want to add to this group. As you start typing, Slack will suggest names based on your contacts, making it a breeze to add multiple people. Make sure to include everyone who needs to be part of the conversation. You'll see the names appear as you add members. To highlight the members you're currently adding, hover over their names. This is just a useful function to double check that you've selected the right individuals. Now, at this point, you've almost got your group ready to go. Now that you have your group members selected, it's time to type your message. This is your initial message to the group, so feel free to introduce the purpose of the group or dive straight into the discussion or topic you want to address. Once you're happy with what you've written, it's time for the final step. All you need to do is hit send. That simple action will create the group, send your message, and you're all set to start the conversation with your newly formed group. Remember, using groups in Slack is a practical way to manage more focused conversations among team members. It keeps discussions organized and ensures everyone has access to the same information. Use them whenever you need to address a subset of your team, whether that's for specific projects, discussions, or any other collaborative effort. And that wraps up our tutorial on creating groups in Slack. I hope this guide has made it clear and easy to get your team talking efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate